Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows Update error code in Windows 11, 10. First method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run Windows Update. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type net space, stop space, WUAU serve. Type net space, stop space, bits. Type net space, stop space, crypt svc. Type ren space, %system root %system3s /catro2 space, catro2.old5. Type ren space, %system root %software distribution space, software distribution.old5. Type net space, start space, WUAU serve. Type net space, start space, bits. Type net space, start space, crypt svc. Third method is open any browser, type Windows 11 download in browser search bar. Click download now. Install Windows 11 Pro and also select Keep Personal Files and Apps, click Install. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.